in the last video we had solved the questions asked in CHSE 2002 mathematics set B question number 1 we had solved in the last exercise, and in this video we are going to solve question number 2. First exercise 2a, the area bounded by y equal to x square, x axis x equal to -1 and x equal to 1 is given by dash square units. Options 4/3, 2/3, 1/2 and 1. So how to find out this? You can do so. The formula for area, integration -1 to 1 y dx. In this case the value of y is x square, right? Because x square is a even function, so we can write it as 2 integration 0 to 1 x square dx, 2 x square integration x cube by 3 limits 0 to 1. So we get 2/3 into 1 minus 0, that is equal to 2/3 into 1, 2/3. So the answer is 2/3. Second question, the differential So what you have to do, essentially you have to form the differential equation given by this. So y equal to a e to the power 2x dy by dx equal to a into d by dx of e to the power 2x, that is equal to a into 2 e to the power 2x 2a e to the power 2x. But what is a e to the power 2x? That is equal to y. So the answer is dy by dx equal to 2y. C, distance of pxyz from yz plane. Options given, from xy plane. Options given x, y, z, root of x square plus y square. It's very simple. Distance of a point in 3-dimensional coordinate plane from xy plane What is that? The distance from xy plane is z. Length of the vector 2i cap plus 3j cap k cap is dash. Options given 6, 4, root 6, root 40. Modulus of a vector. Modulus of 2i cap plus 3j cap plus k cap, that is equal to square root of x component square plus y component square plus z component square, that is equal to square root 4 plus 9 plus 1, that is equal to root 40. Measure of the angle between I cap, j cap minus k cap and I cap minus j cap plus k cap is. Options are 1 by root 3, cos inverse 1, cos inverse minus 1 by 3, 2 by 3 cos inverse 1 and 1 by 6 cos inverse 1. Look, to find the angle between two vectors, cos theta equal to a dot b divided by magnitude A, magnitude B. What is A dot B? In this case, A dot B is I plus j minus k dot I minus j plus k. We all know. So, x component, first row x component, second row x component, you multiply. So, you get 1 into 1 plus 1 into minus 1 plus minus 1 into 1, that gives you 1 minus 1 minus 1, that is equal to minus 1. Magnitude of A is square root of x component square, y component square, z component square, that is equal to 1 plus 1 plus 1 root 3. Magnitude of B, again same thing, root 1 square minus 1 square plus 1 square, that is equal to 1 plus 1 plus 1 root 3. So the angle is minus 1 by 3. Cos theta equal to minus 1 by 3. So the angle becomes theta cos inverse minus 1 by 3.